Hey guys, what's going on? Wanted to do a quick video today talking about a product that I've seen a few recommendations on Facebook for. It's called 303, and it's the reason I was looking for something is my Bedliner is faded out. My truck's a couple years old now, and the Bedliner doesn't have that shiny black look that it had once it got sprayed in. So been looking for a product to try to shine it up, make it look like new again. So product I'm looking at is called 303. I'll show you here. Called 303. As you can see there, it stuck out to me. It says helps prevent fading and cracking, repels dust and lint and staining, and also restores lost color and luster. Looks like it's pretty good stuff. A lot of guys on the Chevrolet Silverado Facebook page said they used it, so I was gonna give it a shot and see if it actually helps restore that look to that Bedliner. Oh no, we'll see. I'll show you my Bedliner. You can see it all dried out and dirty looking. So I'm gonna try this stuff and I'll be back with you shortly. Okay guys, here we are. It up really good. You can see it's faded and dirty. So I got this scrub brush, just a nylon brush. Got some soapy water. I'm gonna go just scrub it really good. Try to knock off as much as I can, and then we'll clean the rest of the truck, and then I'll let it dry, and then we'll apply this stuff. It's really windy today, so not sure if I'll do it today or I might just do it in the garage. Stay tuned. Okay, here we are. We're got it mostly scrubbed down. Now I'm just spraying it out. It's looking black, but you can tell it's starting to dry, and you can see that fading. But also I wanted to show you this part. That's all wet right there, so you can see that stain line. That might be, I tried WD-40 on it, so that might be left over from that. I've scrubbed it and it won't come off, so we'll see if that 303 formula clears that up. Be back shortly. Alright, now I got it all cleaned up, looking all spiffy. If you're wondering why I washed my car in the garage, somebody told me that the sun will bake those water spots into the paint, so I try to wash it in the garage and dry it before those water spots get on that paint. Then I'll throw a little wax. Bedliner's drying out. Once that gets completely dry, I'll start applying the product. We'll see if it cleans it up. Okay, here we go. I just did just that portion of it just to show you the before and after. So it's looking pretty dried out on this side, and then that's with the treated stuff. I'm actually pretty impressed with it. It looks pretty dang good. Real simple. You just spray it on and wipe it off. So that's it. I'll put some more pictures here in a second. Here we go. You can see got half of it done. Pretty impressed with it. This is a day old now. Still looks shiny, exactly how I was wanting it to look. So here we go. I'm gonna finish up the rest of it, but you can see that side, the left side of the bed there was exactly the same color as the right side, but now putting that 303 formula on it really cleaned it up and shined it up. And all I'm doing is using this microfiber cloth and just spraying that stuff on it and wiping it dry, and that's it. They say to do it out of the sunlight, and you know, not with wind or anything like that. But I also did these wipe these things. most part. Got her all shined up. Looking good. Thanks for watching.